All right, so this right here is the blueprint to build a six-figure AI business in 2026 and beyond. Honestly, it's just a blueprint. It's a formula that you can follow with consistency, and it will take you to whatever income goals you have. Okay, but for a nice buzzy wording here, we'll do six-figure AI business in 2026, right? And it's really focused around these three things, right? Now, I want you to understand that at the core of all this, I know we have AI in everything now, but it's still just the fundamental marketing business that we've been doing now for over a decade, right? Except for we're just incorporating AI to make things easier for us, right? So we have an AI built website, we have AI assisted services, and we have AI employees. These are essentially the three pillars of offers for an AI agency. Okay. And by incorporating all of these, we're kind of hitting all the AI buzz that benefits businesses, but we're also leveraging AI to do things easier, faster, and get better results. Right. And so as you can see here of this kind of funky looking step ladder, that the whole process kicks off with an AI built website. Okay, AI built website. This is our foot in the door. Now, there could be other foot in the doors, but this right here, if I am coming in cold talking to a business, this potentially is my best foot in the door simply because every business on the planet needs and/or wants a website or a nice website, meaning most businesses that we interact with are going to already have a website, but it's old, it's outdated, it doesn't function the way they want. It's in need of repair or just in need of a makeover, right? And again, we talk about a lot of this at the end of the year when businesses are wanting to go into a new year and make a bigger impact, exceed their goals, go in with a lot of momentum. A lot of times, one of the things they think of is a refresh, a redesign of their brand, logo, website, right? Website can be part of that. Like, you know what? I think a new website would do us good for the new year, right? And so that's why it's a great offer to leverage as a foot in the door. It's also great because it's it's so easy for us to do. There's really no technical learning curve because we'll use a platform like Lovable to simply use a simple prompt and create a website in minutes. All right. So our goal to build our business is to leverage the foot in the door, AI built website. And then once they're on board with the website, we leverage that by selling, I call them AI assisted services, but they're really just the services that we kind of already have been doing, but we're just leveraging AI inside of them now to make them, again, easier, faster, and better results. And then we have a third kind of pillar, if you will, that we can add on for extra income that, is only going to get more prevalent in businesses going forward. And that's incorporating AI employees. So what does all this look like in terms of our offers? So our offers, again, foot in the door, center around an AI built website. Okay. Now this is a one-time investment for them. It's a one-time payment that they make. Cool thing is on average, that can range anywhere between $500 to $3,000. What determines that? Well, it really your confidence, because most websites have historically, for a small business, going anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. That is just the way it is. And so us coming in at 500 to 3,000 is a steal. Again, what makes it different between 500 and 3,000? Well, really your confidence, right? Is this the first website you've sold, right? Or tried to sell? You're probably going to be at the lower end of this range. For those of you with confidence and or experience, you're potentially selling at the higher end of this range. Either way, on average, I'm looking at about $1,750, right? On average, I can sell a website comfortably and safely at $1,750, and that's a great deal for the business owner. and a nice deal for me to put nearly $2,000 in my pocket for something that can be built in minutes and will require maybe 15 to 30 minutes of edits and updates of me typing in some things to deliver the actual final product of what it is that they would actually want. Okay, so not a bad way to get our foot in the door with a nice chunk of money to kick things off. But then this is really snowball our ability to make income, because everything else is a monthly, right? It's a monthly investment for them, which means we get paid monthly for the work that we're doing in these other pillars here. First pillar, AI assisted services. Okay, well, we talked about these before. We have reputation management, review management, helping businesses get more reviews. That can range anywhere from 197 to 500 bucks, 200 to 500 bucks, basically. Okay, again, that can range based on your confidence, really your confidence level, and or the business you're interacting with, how much you want to charge in addition to other things that you're charging. Okay, we can use AI in this to help build the platform, to help not filter reviews, but help direct the process, which way we've shown you in the training, to get more positive reviews and help prevent more negative reviews from getting out on the internet. Okay, so it's a very powerful service for businesses and very affordable for most any business. Message marketing, right? That's simply sending an email and a text offer to a list of customers, right? Perfect timing around Black Friday and Christmas offers. Holiday offers are a huge thing where all businesses want to send offers to their customer lists or lead lists to offer them sales and stuff like that. We can use AI to help us craft those messages and help come up with offer ideas and strategy around that. That's an easy service to offer anywhere from 300 to 500 bucks. What might determine that is, what are we doing in the campaign? Are we just sending the offer and then all the responses are being handled by the business? Or are we sending off the offers via email and text, and any responses that come back, you and your team are potentially handling those, right? You can charge a little bit more for that. Either way, I'm going to be falling in that range, about 300 to 500 easily. Okay. Then I have lead generation. That might be Facebook offers, Google offers. And that's just my retainer money, right? Ad spend is separate from this, but I can be making around $1,000 a month on that easy. That's actually a low ball offer. And that's something that most businesses can handle, give or take. I have flexibility in my pricing, and I can use AI to help me come up with ad strategy, creatives. I can have them create images, create videos. I can use AI to help me create ad copy, and also come up with strategy around targeting and all that. So lead generation, very powerful service. And then I have GMB website SEO, which is something that'll benefit most any business, help them get more visibility in Google and get more phone calls, get more leads, whatever that may be, by having their website and or Google My Business show up higher in Google search results. That's an easy $897 to $997 a month. Easy. There's people that charge $5,000 a month for that service. So I have, and I can have AI help me come up with content to help put on the website or the GMB, creatives, strategy, to help me make all these services easier to execute and get better results than what I would do on my own. On average, right, we have a full range of all these services. I can look at this at $597 a month average for, that's if I took the low range of the pricing of all these services per client. I'm looking at $597 a month. Again, you can see here based on the numbers that that's kind of a lower number, but that's perfect. We want to be conservative in our planning and our goals. So right now we're expected on average, a website we can sell for about $1,750. On average, every client that we sell services to will be paying us about $597 a month. And then last but not least, we have this other third pillar, AI employees, which again is a monthly cost. And what are we talking about there? We have AI receptionists that can answer phone calls, respond to incoming messages for a business versus having the business have to pay a person, a live employee. We have 24-hour AI receptionists and or appointment bookers, people that can help, like chatbots and whatnot that can help the business, help a customer get booked for an appointment or help a lead get booked for an appointment so the business can get more appointments, again, 24/7 versus having to pay someone. These are services easy. These AI employees easily go for $500 to $1,000 a month, no problem whatsoever. So again, we can just simply say that about $750 a month on average for an AI employee. So if we look at that, we have the money aspect of this. If we have one client that gets the full range of services, okay, they're paying us about $1,750 for a website one time, and then monthly they will be paying us $1,347 a month, $1,347 a month. Okay, so let's just set some goals around this, knowing our average. And the beautiful thing about this is we've always said this: it doesn't take a lot of clients to make the amount of money that a lot of people want to make. So if I just set a 3-client goal in 2026, I simply say in 2026, I'm going to get 3 total clients. What does it allow me to do? For one, you might be saying 3 total, that's it. It allows me to have a nice standard, a nice goal to shoot for that doesn't seem outrageous. All of you in your head right now are saying, well, 3 clients all year, that's actually not terrible. I could probably do that. And you're absolutely right. But what's really cool is how the numbers add up on that. If I got 3 clients all year, okay, just from the websites alone, I will have put over $5,000 in my pocket. By the end of the year, I will be at over $4,000 a month in reoccurring revenue. Now I know you would get them throughout the year, so the full year one income wouldn't exactly equal this, but by the end of the year, the annual income that I would be expecting to make from 3 clients paying me $4,000 a month, plus the over $5,000 of one-time fees and websites, that's over $53,000 in a year. Hopefully some of you are realizing that, holy cow, 3 total clients in the entire world. If I work with 3 businesses in the entire world and charge them amounts that aren't ridiculous whatsoever, I can come up with $50,000 a year. That might be more than what you're making at your day job right now, or it's not far behind. And then what's really cool is if I hit 3 clients early, well, guess what? I just keep getting more clients, right? My goal, I just double my goal. But let's just say all year in 2026, I just do 3 clients. Well, in 2027, when it comes time for that goal, how about we just do 3 more clients on top? Okay. What does that look like? If I focus and over the course of 2 years, average 3 clients a year, I'm looking at making over what I'm making I have a 6-figure business, and all I'm working with is 6 total people on the planet. I will have taken in another over $5,000 of website money. And by this time, my income, my monthly income has stacked across 6 clients now. I'm making $8,000 a month in reoccurring revenue. So my year 2 income with one-time payments and my monthly, I'm at $102,234. Again, 3 total clients that year. So now I'm up to over 2 years. I have 6 clients. That is less than 1 client a quarter. That means I can go a whole quarter, not get a client, and I'm still on track. I'm not showing you this to say, oh, this is exactly how it's going to play out. What I'm showing you is that the math is there, that I can focus on building a business around AI, which is going to make my life way easier. need way less technical expertise, and I barely need any money to do any of this because most of these AI tools are free. I can use and leverage AI and focus on a low number of clients and just offer them a handful of core pillar services based around AI. And over the course of 2 years, easily be sitting at 6 figures a year, whereas it would take me, maybe some of you would work a decade at your day job and never make 6 figures. But you can strategically, in 2 years or less, have created a 6-figure a year business. And what does that look like for you? I imagine for a lot of us, it will change your life. And you have a blueprint to do this. Go into 2026, execute this, and then the numbers will fall and play out in your favor.